If you ask me, now who I go ask? The matter where you see so, it's a way it starts. No be me go talk am, e heavy for mouth. If you ask me, the matter for ground, now who I go ask? What authority do FBI special agents have to make arrests on foreign soil? That's why I sang that song. If you can't ask me, who me go can't ask? Question is being put that how is it possible for FBI to come to Nigeria to arrest Abba Kyari just as the US court has ordered for his arrest? Well, in the US and its territories, FBI special agents may make arrests for any federal offense committed in their presence or when they have reasonable grounds to believe that the person to be arrested has committed or is committing a felony violation of US laws on foreign soil. FBI special agents generally do not have authority to make arrests except in certain cases where, with the consent of the host country, Congress has granted the FBI extraterritorial jurisdiction. It's over to Nigeria government to make the extradition of DCP Abba Kyari possible over the alleged bribe case. Now that the US court issues warrant of police officer Abba Kyari's arrest, as FBI further reveal how he spent time with Hushpuppi, who have pleaded guilty to fraud. In June, the 37-year-old was arrested in Dubai. A court document claims he and co-conspirators targeted victims around the world in schemes designed to steal hundreds of millions of dollars. Hushpuppi is charged with conspiring to launder that money. So the question now is that what authority do FBI special agents have to make arrests on foreign soil? Let's see how all of those go. But you should first of all ask yourself, what authority do DSS have to make arrests in Kenya and Cotonou? Keep on asking until they handcuffed him. Good question. Tell them, oh, tell them. They didn't arrest Nnamdi Kanu in Kenya. I read they kidnapped him. The summary of the question, therefore, you must go and answer the US. Most people are condemning the lawlessness of the DSS. Such lawlessness consequence is always terrible. We witness it in American false accusation and invasion of foreign territories in Iraq of Saddam and Libya of Gaddafi. Whoever is lawless should and must be condemned. Must be condemned. Well, we are waiting patiently, gradually. You will know after he's arrested and transported as a human cargo to the US. Maybe Abba Kyari, okay, never return. May Abba Kyari never return to Nigeria again. Is Buhari's henchman on kill anywhere? This is one of the sources he got money for his expensive charms. His arrest is a testament that Buhari has got so many terrorists and criminals in his government while he claims to be fighting corruption. So shall he be to that son of perdition in charge of our SIM cards registration someday. His own arrest is looming in the sky and getting ready to hit the soil of Niger like rainstorm. You can't insult Nnamdi Kanu and kill the Igbos and go scot-free. Nemesis awaits you all. Britain cannot help you. I agree with you. God is really exposing Buhari's boys and their secret deals. It wasn't Hushpuppi that exposed Kyari, but his telephone conversation history, transcripts that FBI are now using to track his allies. Well, enemies of Abba Kyari at work with fraud fake news, whether they like it or not, he will continue to discharge his good work. Oh my goodness. Which duty? Power pass power or just one telephone call? Buhari will hand him over to FBI. Points of correction: it was not FBI that gave the warrants of arrest It was done by the district judge handling the case. FBI was only part of the prosecution team. My friend, you will know the authority to arrest by FBI in foreign land when the time comes. The world is a global village. Watch out the way your corrupt police officer will be picked up. Do you think US is Nigeria? Or Nigeria is US? In case you don't know, America is the world police. If this corrupt and Fulani officer is found guilty and jailed, then other corrupt politicians in APC government will be afraid to travel to the US. Many of them will go into hiding. Most senior officers in the Nigeria police force are very corrupt. It is highly possible this man may be jailed in US. Officer Abakari, please start preparing your defense and go along with the best Fulani quota system lawyers in Nigeria to defend. Federal character and quota system must be used to select the defense team. But you and Fulani government went extra mile to go to Kenya to kidnap Nnamdi Kanu, also went to more extra mile trying to kidnap Sunday Igboho, presently who is in Benin Republic. The thunder that will strike all of you, so-called cabals in that Aso Rock, is doing press up. Continue asking nonsense questions. Abakari judgment has come. Go and face your punishment. I hope the person asking this question will be there when FBI gives the Gaddafi treatment to Kyari. This one choked me. No be small something. No be small something. If Nigeria government can transport Nnamdi Kanu to Nigeria, so US can transport a Fulani man to US, abeg parkway. Why are you suddenly so scared? Foreign soil indeed. Go and chop beans before Buhari will come meet you. Kanu, who did not commit any offense, can I hear that? Loaded. US cannot make an arrest of another country citizen in his own country. They should go and sit down. They can, but they have to follow the due process and the rule of law. If Nigeria government can go to Kenya, arrest Nnamdi Kanu, who did not commit any offense, the FBI has every authority to come here and arrest a fraudster. The authority of the land they operate in being the superpower, not Abakari, but America can hold Nigeria itself to ransom. They arrested Nnamdi Kanu on foreign soil. They should also arrest Abakari in Nigeria.